Imagine stepping inside the Pyramid of Khufu at Giza, the most famous pyramid on Earth. What awaits you inside? Mountains of gold, mummies, ancient traps, and secret chambers filled with treasure? That is how films usually portray it. But the reality is completely different. There is no fairy tale underground palace or luxurious halls here. Instead, there are narrow stone passageways, nearly empty chambers, a massive granite sarcophagus, and mysteries that scientists still have not fully unraveled even today. The Pyramid of Khufu, also known as the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built about 4,500 years ago as a royal tomb and as part of a vast funerary complex. It is not just an enormous mass of stone, but one of the most sophisticated structures of the ancient world. Its interior occupies only a small portion of its total volume, which makes it all the more astonishing that even after thousands of years, new hidden spaces are still being discovered inside it. If we imagine ourselves entering the pyramid, the journey begins far less majestically than one might expect. Beyond the entrance, we are met by a narrow sloping passage descending deep into the mass of stone. It leads to an underground chamber that was never completed. But the main route does not go only downward. Branching off from the descending passage is an ascending corridor that leads to one of the most impressive parts of the pyramid, the Grand Gallery. This is a tall, elongated stone passage about 46 meters long, strikingly different from the cramped tunnels and remarkable for its scale. Along the way is the so-called Queen's Chamber, although scholars believe that this name appeared later and may be inaccurate. The upper end of this route leads to the King's Chamber, the pyramid's best-known internal chamber, and its presumed burial chamber. It is lined with massive granite blocks, and inside stands the famous granite sarcophagus. And this is where things become especially interesting. The sarcophagus is there, but Khufu's mummy was never found there. Moreover, no lavish treasures were discovered inside the Great Pyramid either, despite what many expect to find there. If burial goods really were placed inside, they were most likely looted in antiquity. Khufu's body likely met the same fate. The walls here are surprisingly austere as well. There are no rich paintings or long inscriptions, because the tradition of decorating internal chambers with hieroglyphic texts appeared in later pyramids. Above the King's Chamber are 5 relieving chambers, which are believed to have helped distribute the weight of the stone above the burial chamber. 2 narrow shafts also extend from the King's Chamber, and scholars still debate whether they were intended for ventilation or served a ritual purpose. It would seem that after centuries of study, the pyramid should have revealed all its secrets by now. But science has proven otherwise. In 2017, researchers using muon tomography, a method that allows massive structures to be scanned with cosmic particles without damaging them, confirmed the existence of a large hidden void above the Grand Gallery. Its minimum length is about 30 meters, and in 2023, a hidden corridor about 9 meters long was discovered near the main entrance. One theory suggests that it helped redistribute the weight of the stone around the entrance area, but researchers do not rule out the possibility that it may also be connected to internal spaces that have not yet been explored. The Pyramid of Khufu is a perfect example of how myths can differ dramatically from reality. There is no convincing evidence of movie-style traps. No mummy of Khufu has ever been found, and there are no mountains of gold. Yet that is precisely what makes it truly remarkable. It inspires awe not through fairy tale riches, but through its engineering, its scale, and the mysteries that science is still trying to understand.